Did you know we have a free magazine and puzzle exchange in the lobby? Take one, leave one, or do both. We also have Brownsburg's cheapest and only used bookstore right inside. $1 hardbacks and DVDs, 50-cent paperbacks and children's books. During the holidays, we also have seasonal gifts for sale. We are the spot for the Berg's cheapest cup of two. $1 hot beverages from the Keurig including coffee, tea, hot chocolate, and cider. Another thing we beat everyone else's prices on is copying and faxing. 10-cent black and white copies, 25-cent color copies, and faxing is 50 cents per page, up to a maximum of $3. Oh, and you can scan to email, and that's free. Have a bunch of your grandparents' or great-grandparents' slides? You can digitize them with our slide scanner. For fun with the kids, check out our ever-bright light wall and imagination station.